Today's topic is, should girls do job after marriage or not? So my opinion is this: yes, because you can see that every woman wants to become independent in their life, because before the marriage they have lots of foundation, because she is a girl, but after marriage she will become a woman, and a woman is more powerful than a girl. You can see that a woman can handle every situation equally. As we can take our mother's example, our mothers are very powerful, they can handle every situation equally. So also she can do outside work very perfectly. You can see that if there is a boy, he can't handle the housework and the outside work equally, but the housewoman can handle every situation equally. She also take care of their children, she made lunch for them, then she will go to the work. So you can see that a woman take care of their children perfectly, and she also maintains the dignity everyone. She never upset their in-laws, because every woman have some kind of dreams. My mother also had a dream in their time, so but she can't fulfill her dream in their time. But in our upcoming youth, we should teach girls to become independent, not to become a weak and only do work in their house. Because you can see that, Prachi, somebody's husbands are also problems. Somebody's husbands are taking alcohol, then they will beat very badly to their like wives, and also that kind of husbands are very bad. Why this kind of inspirations? A woman should be the perfect example of everyone, because women are more stronger than a man. My opinion is this. As you can see that this topic is very critical, so I want to go against this topic. You can see that there are a lot of challenges when a girl wants to do job after the marriage. The challenge of firstly the challenge of the parents-in-laws. The parents says that you should not do the job, and they will say that you will make affairs in when you go to the job. So this is sometimes this is truth, and you can see that there are a lot of challenges, like the girls also have to take care of children, and they have to, if they will not take care of children, then then the children will be spoiled. Okay, the children will become vulgar. Okay.
But if she's do every work for you, for your family, so what the bad in it? She will do every work for you, for your family, then she will go to the job. So what the bad in it? Sumit, tell me.
My question is this: if which girl wants to make his child vulgar? Okay, suppose, okay, as per, you can see that in this world, only why everyone wants very high expectations from a woman, and this is only responsibility of a woman, that her children don't become vulgar. How about, tell me, who will become vulgar? If my parents both going to the work, I know that my parents are going to the work, I will not become vulgar. But if in this time, you can see that every children have some kind of vulgarity in their mindset, if the mother is working or not, and the responsibility is completely to both of them, not only a girls. This is answer of your question. Why you all time give very high expectations from a woman? A woman is not born to take care of you, take care of a family. A woman also born to become, create a future. You can see that in this upcoming youth, every girl wants to become independent.
And if we will not do job after marriage, so our mother's dream will destroy, our mother's dream will die. Because you can see that, as Pari said, that they didn't complete their dreams in their past, because their in-laws didn't allowed. So now they will complete their dream by us. If we will not do job after marriage, so their dream will definitely destroy. Their dream will die. So myth, and you know very well. Save girl, teach girl.
Why? What is the benefit of teach girls if you don't allow to do job? What is their benefit? Why you open the schools for girls if you don't want to allow them to job? The teaching, why you can see that in the teaching field, girls are very better than a boy, because girls know emotional. Girls are emotional. They know emotions of every children. Girls are more capable than a man in every field. If she wants to become a chef, so she will become very perfect chef. If she will wants to become a UPSC, she wants to clear a UPSC, so she will become a perfect IAS officer. Because girls are mentally strong, physically strong, they are prepared. Because she suffers a lot. You don't know how much problems they has to face in their life. Not only outside but also in their bodies. They also have to face lots of problems.
And nobody have right to snatch his or her dream.
Yeah. If the woman don't snatch your dream, if she allowed you to work, so why you don't allow them to work? She wants to become independent.
As you were saying that the girls have the mind and the boys have the strength. So strength is needed to work outside, where mind is needed to take care of
In a
children.
business, 1 minute, if I am running a multinational business, Prachi, so what is more important, mind or my strength?
Mind, definitely mind.
So if okay, the biggest, the richest man of India, Mr. Mukesh Ambani, what he have? The strength or a mindset?
Definitely
Mindset.
mind, obviously.
Yeah, his wife Neeta Ambani, why she is the most successful woman in her life? Because her husband allowed her. When she will, she runs a cricket team, Mumbai Indians. The team is Neeta Ambani's team.
Because her husband supports
because she gets supports by her in-laws, by her husband. That's why Neeta Ambani is inspiration of all of us. And also she is inspiration for me because I want to become businessman. If my husband will snatch my dreams, I will definitely leave him. What is the benefit of living with him? If he don't allow me, he snatch my personal life, my personal stuff. Nobody wants to become like that kind of girl to only work in house. So ask to your mother, like friendly, totally friendly, then she will tell you, like, yeah, I want to become something in their life, but my in-laws, my husband didn't allow me. That kind of problems.
Girls is also a human being, Pari. You can't snatch her dream.
Yeah.
And I don't know why our society doesn't give equal respect as they give to the boys.
Yeah, you can see that, Prachi, in every field, in cricket, in like the pilot, the every field women are very perfect
As compared
to a man. A man only like they have a strength, don't have emotion, but a woman have mindset. The important is mindset. That's why a woman is very strong and powerful.
And she have strength even more than boy, even
Yeah.
more than man. Because she handle your house, she do job, she do everything. She cooks food after do job.